Yeah. Friday, July 25th. Aidan's here. Dad's just putting the doors back on.
We got the woods on both sides.
Okay, great.
And,
this is what Dad's talking about here.
And the back door is on. And we're just going to put this on. It's going to rain soon.
Yeah, at 10 o'clock tonight, I think it's going to rain. So he's got that up there. Didn't get much done in the last couple of days. The air quality index was literally through the roof here yesterday. It was 235, which is like very unhealthy for everybody. But this is what they're tackling here today. And we'll probably just tie this in with the previous video.
Your blue drill would probably be better.
Hey?
Your blue drill.
The blue drill?
So Aidan's just getting the skate patch back on. And I think that's probably the most troublesome one, a door to put back on here, but they're going to get it back on. And then the rest should, I think Dad actually has to weld in the doors here yet. So it's not as quick and done as we think it might be. So he usually puts in those those weld-on hinges. And he'll have to do it for the two front doors and the back doors here and here as well. So we're expecting a big thunderstorm, possibly 10 o'clock tonight. That's what the forecast is calling for. Severe thunderstorms. Dad just had some visitors here, wanted to know if they could stay and help, and he said no. Anyways, yeah, so just the last cleanup phase here, and thankfully Aidan came back to help out. And it's 29 degrees Celsius out right now. Nice hot July day, and it is stinking hot and humid. And yeah, that's it. There's my old Charles. He only comes out when there's treats now. Otherwise, he's underneath that horse trailer. Pretty hot day for an old dog.